Andrew, with this ring I thee wed. I offer you my hand and my heart, as I know they will both be safe with you. I promise from this day forward to love you and tolerate you. I also solemnly swear to protect you, mostly from spiders, as long as we both shall live. I promise to love you in sickness and in health, even when Livingston and the Seahawks are losing. I promise to love you, respect you, and support you. And above all else, make sure that I'm not just shouting at you because I'm hungry. I promise not to keep scores, even though I'm totally winning. And I promise not to use sarcasm unless it's absolutely necessary. I promise to always have your back, even when you're wrong. This is my solemn vow.
Mike, with this ring I thee wed. I offer you my hand and my heart, as I know they will both be safe with you. I promise from this day forward that I will love and respect you. And I will like all of your Facebook updates whilst we sit on the sofa staring at our phones all night long. I promise to care for you in sickness and in health. Unless you become a zombie in the apocalypse, then you're on your own. I promise to love, respect and support you, and above all else, I promise to cheer you up after a bad day with ice cream, crisps, peanut butter M&Ms. I might even share them with you. I promise not to watch the next episode of our stories without you, even when you fall asleep during them. I promise to be your big spoon, to always tickle your feet the nice way, and kiss you as much as I do the dog. This is my solemn vow.